I mean, future wars between countries, advanced countries, or at least countries that have significant drone capability, will be very much the drone wars.
SpaceX, known for its groundbreaking space exploration projects, has just announced its entry into the high-stakes world of military drones. But what led to this monumental decision? Reports reveal that Ukrainian troops, defending against Russia's invasion, have been utilizing SpaceX's Starlink satellite constellation with incredible success. Looking at the results, Elon Musk is taking a deep dive into the world of military drones. Brace yourself for the future of drone warfare as we explore SpaceX's game-changing venture and its impact on the worlds of space exploration and military technology. Let's begin.
But according to SpaceX President Gwynne Shotwell, the service was, quote, never meant to be weaponized. She added, Ukrainians have leveraged it in ways that were unintentional and not part of any agreement. And Musk himself tweeted, Starlink is meant for peaceful use only.
The integration of Starlink technology into military drones has sparked immense interest and intrigue within the military and tech communities. The Ukrainian military, in particular, has embraced Starlink access terminals, which have proven instrumental in the success of their drone missions. Officers from the Aerorozvidka Aerial Reconnaissance Unit credit the terminals for enabling their drone pilots to complete missions with precision. The impact of Starlink goes beyond the Ukrainian military's operations, as plans have been unveiled to equip attack forces with interoperable drones that leverage this cutting-edge technology. These drones, boasting advanced features and seamless real-time communication capabilities, could provide a significant tactical advantage in the field. From executing complex missions to coordinating with other drones, the integration of Starlink technology unlocks a new realm of possibilities for military operations.
If you have a genie that can grant you anything, that can also do anything, that necessarily presents a danger. And I would expect the first uses of AI to be, certainly the first government uses of AI to be weapons technology. So just having more advanced weapons on the battlefield that can react faster than any human could.
While the integration of Starlink technology into military operations brings forth remarkable advancements, it also poses security challenges. One notable concern revolves around the potential disclosure of precise force locations due to the geolocation capabilities of Starlink terminals. However, it is worth noting that Starlink terminals generate narrow beams and frequently change frequencies, making it challenging for adversaries to lock onto them. This is evidenced by Russia's struggle to identify Starlink satellites for an extended period. SpaceX employs geofences on user terminals to ensure compliance with user agreements and approved uses. If any unauthorized use is detected, SpaceX has the authority to revoke access, potentially leaving a country reliant on Starlink services without connectivity during a conflict. This highlights the need for careful consideration and management of the system's usage in military contexts. Drones have increasingly become integral to modern military operations, transforming the dynamics of warfare. While previously dominated by high-end precision strikes from advanced American aircraft, the landscape has shifted with the widespread availability of affordable drones produced by various countries. This shift has democratized drone combat, enabling a broader range of actors to participate and shaping the way conflicts are waged. Now let's explore the top 10 most technologically advanced military drones for 2023. At number 10, we have the Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat Advanced Military Drone. This stealthy, unmanned aerial vehicle, also known as the Loyal Wingman, incorporates artificial intelligence to undertake autonomous missions and provide support to manned aircraft. Its modular mission package system allows for quick customization and adaptation to different mission requirements. Moving to number 9, we encounter the TAI Aksungur Advanced Military Drone from Turkey. This impressive drone, which entered service in 2021, boasts exceptional range and endurance capabilities, capable of flying up to 4,000 miles. With a maximum takeoff weight of over 7,200 pounds, the Aksungur offers 6 underwing hardpoints, enabling the deployment of advanced munitions and guided missiles for a wide range of missions. Continuing our countdown at number 8, the Kronstadt Orion, we explore the impressive features of this Russian drone. Despite its smaller size, the Orion packs a powerful punch. It excels in stealth capability thanks to its low radar signature, making it harder for adversaries to detect. With a compact design measuring 26 feet from nose to tail, the Orion is not only cost-effective, but also simpler to construct. Equipped with a typical payload capacity of 60 kilograms, it can loiter above dangerous territories for an impressive 24 hours. Its extended endurance makes it an ideal choice for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Additionally, the Orion is often armed with heavier missiles, allowing it to engage targets effectively. As of 2022, Russia has produced approximately 50 units of the Kronstadt Orion, showcasing their commitment to advanced drone technology. Moving on to number 7, we encounter the Baykar Bayraktar Kizilelma Bayraktar Muas, a remarkable drone from Turkey. Currently undergoing testing, this two-engine drone introduces several notable upgrades to its predecessor. One of the key advancements is the inclusion of an afterburner, enabling enhanced speed and performance. What sets the Kizilelma apart is its ability to launch and land on an amphibious assault ship without relying on a catapult system, showcasing its versatility in naval operations. With a remarkable airspeed reaching Mach 0.9, the Kizilelma can match the speed of fighter jets. It boasts a maximum altitude of 45,000 feet, allowing it to operate in various airspace environments. With a range of 930 miles, it can cover significant distances, making it a valuable asset for extended missions. The Bayraktar Kizilelma is a testament to Turkey's commitment to pushing the boundaries of drone technology. Now let's turn our attention to the BAE Systems Taranis, an extraordinary unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, from the United Kingdom. Designed with cutting-edge technology, the Taranis is fully autonomous, capable of undertaking missions without human intervention. Its advanced architecture combines a larger size with more powerful systems, allowing it to carry weapons and conduct operations on a different continent. With a length of 40 feet and a weight of 18,000 pounds, the Taranis is comparable in size to a Hawk jet fighter. This impressive UCAV features a high degree of autonomy, making it capable of executing complex maneuvers and carrying out missions with precision. The BAE Systems Taranis represents the United Kingdom's commitment to developing advanced drone capabilities. Shifting our focus to China's primary military drone, we encounter the Hongdu GJ-11, a highly versatile and stealthy aerial platform. With its compact design, the GJ-11 can launch precision-guided missiles, deploy swarming air launch decoys, and even perform electronic warfare operations. What sets this drone apart is its ability to be piloted by the Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter, showcasing the integration of manned and unmanned capabilities. The Hongdu GJ-11 features an expanded weapon bay, enhancing its offensive capabilities. It can operate from Type 075 amphibious assault ships, providing China with increased flexibility in its military operations. China's focus on advanced drone technology is evident in the capabilities of the Hongdu GJ-11. Next, we turn our attention to the Winglong 10 Chengdu WC-10, an advanced military drone developed in China. This drone draws inspiration from the General Dynamics Reaper series, but incorporates unique enhancements and jet-powered propulsion. The Chengdu WC-10 boasts an impressive flight time of up to 20 hours, allowing for extended missions. It can reach speeds of 390 miles per hour, making it a swift and agile platform. The drone's armament typically includes air-surface missiles and guided bombs, but what sets it apart is its inclusion of small cruise missiles, providing it with an additional offensive capability. Moreover, the Chengdu WC-10 possesses the ability to detect electromagnetic signals from a distance of 200 kilometers, further enhancing its reconnaissance capabilities. With a maximum speed of 520 kilometers per hour and the ability to ascend to heights of 12,500 meters, the Chengdu WC-10 is a formidable drone in terms of both speed and altitude performance. Lastly, we explore the EAD's Barracuda, a collaborative effort between Spain, Germany, and EADs. Initially designed as a reconnaissance drone, the Barracuda can be easily converted into a fighter or strike drone, highlighting its versatility. With a payload capacity of 660 pounds, it has the ability to carry various types of equipment and armaments. The Barracuda's performance is noteworthy, reaching speeds of Mach 0.85, allowing it to swiftly traverse the skies. It is powered by the reliable and powerful Pratt & Whitney J15D turbofan engine, ensuring efficient and reliable operation. The collaborative effort behind the Barracuda showcases the synergy of expertise and technological advancements among the participating countries. There is no doubt that these remarkable military drones from different countries exemplify the increasing sophistication and capabilities of unmanned aerial vehicles. They are designed to fulfill a wide range of roles, including surveillance, reconnaissance, offensive operations, and precision strikes. The continuous advancements in drone technology, coupled with the integration of cutting-edge features, demonstrate their significance in modern warfare. As countries worldwide invest in the development of advanced drones, we can anticipate further groundbreaking innovations and their continued pivotal role in shaping the future of military operations. So, what are your thoughts about SpaceX venturing in the realm of military drones? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.